Okay, let's see. Oh! Bro. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear it? Holy f, I got electrocuted inside my ears. Holy f, I'm not touching that shit anymore. Oh, it's a really bad thing. I hate it. I can't touch anything because I freaking electrocuted.
Okay.
Even like my cats.
All right.
Oh god, I'm gonna get canceled again. No, I never electrocuted my cats, chat. Never. Anyways, so this computer we're going to be building today. Anyways.
No, go ahead.
No. Let's just talk about this computer. I'm very excited to know everything about this computer.
Really? I really wanted to continue that conversation about the electric cat.
No, we're good. No, but people, they don't want to know. Chat, you guys don't want to know, right? Can she throw the CPU? I don't think so. I can only throw cats because like they're light, but a whole CPU, like I don't know, it's kind of heavy. Oh, this is the CPU. I can totally throw it. Like over my head? Yeah, I can do that. It's very light.
Oh my fucking God. I'm gonna get canceled.
Hey! I'm on top of the world! And if you're watching this channel, you're probably not subscribed because 50% of you guys are not subscribed. And if you guys want Chompy to eat this month, freaking subscribe, okay? I'm gonna throw him. Ah! Just kidding. I don't do that anymore.
Can I put the ding dong?
A what?
The ding dong emote?
Oh, ding dong. I thought you said something.
Wait, what? Yeah, that one!
I thought you said something completely different. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Where's your brain at right now, dude? What the
Okay,
fuck?
I heard G's, not K's.
Oh.
Anyway.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
You push it hard enough to where you think you're gonna break it.
No way. I can't do that. That reminds me of this guy I had sex with that wanted me to squeeze his balls. And I was like, I squeezed it in a little bit. And he was like, no more. And I was like, squeezing more. And then he was like, no more. Squeezing more. And then I was like, dude, I can't do this. I don't think I can hit. Chris, come back. I don't think I can push this as hard as you're asking me to push this.
You were the only person in the history of ever where when putting in RAM, the analogy they thought of was squeezing someone's testicles.
Okay, I did it. Okay, I did it. I think he just coomed. Let's go with the other one. I'm sorry. This is a debate. They make you think that you're paying for this amazing piece of equipment and it's just empty. Oh, look at it. It's this little thing.
This is exactly what it was like the first time I had sex. Why did you laugh?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I actually like them small because then you can fit them anywhere. They take less space.
Exactly.
You know,
This
not always bigger is better.
crosses the line. I hear mango. Noted.
Yes, mango.
How much money do you make every year?
Mango.
Who's the streamer you hate the most?
Mango.
You hate mango? I knew it! I fucking knew it!
No, it's not mango. I love mango. No, oh my God, you baited me into that so badly. And straight. Why? Is this the right screw? Oh, it is. It's going in straight, I think. Hopefully. We'll see if she screams and it's not.
Oh my fucking God. This is why my girlfriend's not allowed to watch the streams.
Okay. Do I want it like really tight or like?
I personally don't do really tight because if you do need to
I like
take
it really
out,
tight too. Okay.
Oh my fuck.
Next one.
She doesn't even care. Why does she ask? She doesn't care.
She doesn't care.
She doesn't fucking care. Oh my God.
I don't.
Mango?
No, I don't care.
Raise these things unintentionally. You are much smarter than you look. You are substantially smarter than you look. You are wickedly, deceptively smart. There is no way you would.
I'm not. You're giving away my cover. You're not supposed to say that. I'm really stupid, remember?
Right. When can I join the Really Stupid Club?
Whenever you want. I just like my pizzas meaty.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of a joke
I like
right
my
now.
cock.
My fucking God, bro. I was trying to... Bro!
I mean, we're thinking about it, but you don't have the balls to say it.
It's the theme of the stream.
You were thinking about... What?
Constantly, that's the theme of the stream. There were a couple questions I really wanted to ask you.
What is it like to be the prettiest girl on Twitch? Well, let me tell you. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I have the prettiest feet
Amaranth, we had a question for you.
Oh, shut up. Wow, that hurts. Ouch.
She's my birthday twin.
You could have
I had to
just
support.
lied to me, you know? You could have just lied to me and kept pretending.
You're not my girlfriend. I'm kidding. I'm gonna stop.
Oh, I'm sure she's gorgeous.
She is very pretty, and she is... I actually don't even know why she's dating me when I think about it a lot. Okay.
Oh, God. Ah! It's okay. Oh! This is hard, workout, dude. Building PCs. Damn.
My arm is already getting tired.
It's okay. Got it.
Okay, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
One more.
Ooh, hold on, my back. Oh, I think I threw my back. Okay. Okay.
What?
Okay, the other one? Oh, I got this one.
Claps in chat for Finn.
Hearts in chat for Finn.
Oh, God.
I think I'm gonna start building PCs. This is really fun. This is Natalia's PC. Please hand it with care and smiley face.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Do you want me to put a picture of you on there?
Yes! This is Natalia happy. This is Natalia mad. You don't make Natalia mad.
This is when Natalia's PC arrives broken. This is when it arrives fixed.
Yeah.
You turned it off.
Oh.
Where are you going? The power button's at the front.
Okay.
All right. Let's see.
It turns on.
Oh shit! Okay, it works.
It works. It's so
not
pretty.
broken.
It's so pretty.
Oh, this is actually really pretty.
It is really pretty.
Oh shit! Let me see this. Actually, looks nice. Let me hold this. Oh my god!
It actually looks really nice.
Oh shit! This is actually super nice.
It's so pretty. I'm excited to have it on my desk.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice.
That's how you can get to enjoy it the most. Oh my god, this one time, I took Molly, but it wasn't Molly, it was meth, and I was high for 2 full days, and I had to pretend to my mom that I wasn't.
What? How do you accidentally take meth?
Ask Destiny about it. Had severe memory, and then I broke up with him.
What the f?
Yes.
Were you like, I'm getting the last laugh, and then
So what I wanted to do was I wanted to fuck both his cousins. Because I thought that would be really good revenge, you know. I was like, if I fuck both his cousins, he's never gonna forget about this. It's gonna fuck the relationship forever. But you know what? Those motherfuckers were so loyal.
Oh my god!
Dude, I tried so hard. Seriously. It didn't happen. So, yeah.
Okay.
Anyways.
I thought you were like, so I settled for one.
No. I tried both of them, but they, No.
That's the
I feel
number.
like now, like so before, like if a guy cheated on me, I'd be like, oh, you gotta sleep with like their friends or like the family to take revenge. Now I'd be like, I'll probably just chop his balls or something.
What do you mean just chop? What are you talking? What are you saying? What?
I'm just kidding.
What?
I would never do that. I would never do something like that. Here.
No, it's fine. Marinara sauce is.
It felt like the good way. There's a God.
You 50-50'd marinara
Oh
sauce.
my God, look at my pants.
You know there's some like on the other side of you too, right?
Oh, my butt?
Oh no, that's just the logo. I thought that was the same.
Okay. Yikes. Like, that's a nice way of saying it.
Yep, no, I love it. Can't wait to go see my girlfriend later with all this confidence I have.
Okay. I don't know why I made that sound. I'm sorry.
Are you good?
Yes, I'm good.
You
fed
thinking
me.
about something?
You fed me now. I'm happy.
That's the sound that comes out when you get fed? Today I learned.
No.